Hello, everyone.
Hey there, welcome back.
We're so glad you're here today.
Today's topic is super practical.
We're talking about public transit.
Buses, trains, and everything in between.
These are essential skills for city life.
Especially if you're new to a place.
Public transit can seem overwhelming at first.
But it's actually quite easy once you learn.
It saves you so much money.
And it's better for the environment.
Plus, you avoid traffic jams.
And parking nightmares.
You'll meet interesting local people too.
It's the authentic city experience.
Today, we'll walk you through everything.
All the English you need to navigate confidently.
I'm Ross, and this is Pepper.
We're commuters learning the ropes.
Ready to join us?
Let's dive right in.
Okay, Pepper. We need to get downtown.
Should we take the bus or the train?
Let me check the transit app.
Good idea.
Bus number 12 goes there.
How long does it take?
About 35 minutes.
What about the train?
Train is only 20 minutes.
But is there a direct line?
Yes, the green line.
Perfect.
But we'd need to transfer once.
Oh, that complicates things.
The bus is direct though.
True. No transfers needed.
What time does the next bus arrive?
Let me see. In 8 minutes.
That's pretty soon.
Should we go for the bus then?
Yes, let's hurry to the bus stop.
Which stop do we need?
Main Street, northbound.
Got it? Let's go.
Here's the bus stop.
Let me find a sign.
There it is.
What routes stop here?
Numbers 5, 12, and 28.
We need number 12, right?
Yes, exactly.
Does it show the schedule?
Yes, every 15 minutes during peak hours.
And every 30 minutes off peak.
We're in luck. It's peak time now.
The sign says, next bus in 3 minutes.
Perfect timing.
How will we know it's the right bus?
The number will be displayed on the front.
Above the windshield.
Exactly. And on the side too.
Should we wave at the bus?
Yes. Make eye contact with the driver.
So they know to stop?
Right? Otherwise they might drive past.
Especially if the stop looks empty.
Here it comes now.
I see the number 12.
Hello? Does this bus go downtown?
I see the number 12. Perfect. That's where we need to go.
How much is the fare? Yes, this goes to Central Square.
Do you accept credit cards?
How much is the fare? Can we get a transfer ticket?
Do you accept credit cards? That's convenient.
Thank you so much. Sure, it's valid for 90 minutes.
Let's find seats.
There are 2 together.
Great. By the window.
Perfect spot.
How many stops until downtown?
The app says 12 stops.
That's about 25 minutes.
Yes, roughly.
I'll set a timer.
Good idea. This bus is pretty comfortable.
Much better than I expected.
The seats are cushioned.
And there's air conditioning.
Look, free Wi-Fi too.
Really, what's the password?
It's written up there.
Oh, I see it now.
Should we check how far we've gone?
Yes, open the tracking app.
We've passed 4 stops already.
8 more to go.
The bus is getting crowded now.
More people getting on.
We should hold our bags on our laps.
Right, to make room for others.
That's good etiquette.
Always be considerate.
Excuse me, which stop is this?
Right, to make room for others. Thank you.
We need Elm Street.
That's still 5 stops away.
I'll press the button when we're close. Wait, what was that announcement?
I couldn't hear clearly.
Something about a delay? I'll press the button when we're close.
Why is that?
Wait, what was that announcement? Oh, that makes sense.
Should we be worried?
The bus will stop briefly ahead. Okay, good to know.
Thank you for explaining.
Oh, that makes sense. People here are so helpful.
I know, right?
Public transit really brings people together.
It's a community experience.
I'm starting to enjoy this.
Me too.
Next stop is ours.
Already?
Yes, time flew by.
Should I press the stop button?
Yes, press it now.
I hear a ding sound.
That means it registered.
The stop request light is on.
Perfect. The driver knows.
Let's move toward the exit.
Excuse us. Coming through.
I hear a ding sound. Thank you.
The bus is slowing down.
Hold the pole for balance.
Good idea.
Almost there.
Wait for it to stop completely.
Now we can get off.
Thank you, driver.
Have a nice day.
We're here.
But we still need to get to the museum.
Right? We need to take the train now.
Where's the station entrance?
According to the map, it's 2 blocks away.
Let's walk there.
Look for the train symbol signs.
I see one over there.
Let's follow those.
This is exciting.
Train stations can be confusing, though.
Don't worry. We'll figure it out together.
Here's the entrance.
Down these stairs?
Yes, let's go. Wow, this station is huge.
So many people.
Where do we buy tickets?
I see ticket machines over there.
Let's head that way.
There's a long line.
Maybe we can use the self-service machine.
Good idea. Let's try it.
Touch the screen to start.
It's asking for our destination.
Type in Museum Station.
Here it is on the list.
Select that one.
Now it's showing fare zones.
We're in Zone 1,
Museum Station is in Zone 2.
so we need a 2-zone ticket.
How much is that?
It says $4.50.
Pretty reasonable.
Should we get round-trip tickets?
Yes, that might be cheaper.
Round trip is $8.
That says $1.
Let's get that then.
Pay with card or cash?
I'll use my card.
Insert it in the slot.
Transaction approved.
The tickets are printing now.
Don't forget to take them.
Got 'em.
Now we need to find the platform.
Which line are we taking?
The green line, northbound.
Where is that?
Look at the directory board.
Green line, platform 4.
This way, follow the signs.
Down this corridor?
Yes, keep going straight.
I see the platform signs.
Platform full straight ahead.
There it is.
Let's check the departure board.
When's the next train?
In 6 minutes.
Not bad.
Is it an express or a local train?
What's the difference?
Express skips some stations.
So it's faster?
Yes, but only stops at major stations.
Which type do we need?
Let me check. We need the local train.
Because Museum Station is a small stop?
Exactly right.
When does the local train arrive?
In 4 minutes, actually.
Even sooner than I thought. Perfect.
The train is arriving.
Stand back from the yellow line.
Safety first.
The doors are opening.
Let people exit first.
Always let them off before getting on.
That's basic train etiquette.
Now we can board.
Quick, find a seat.
There are 2 here.
Great catch.
These seats are comfortable too.
Much smoother ride than the bus.
And faster.
How many stops to Museum Station?
Let me count on the map. 7 stops.
About 15 minutes.
What's that announcement?
Quick, find a seat. It announces every stop.
That's really helpful.
Yes, so you won't miss yours.
Should we count the stops?
Yes, Museum Station is the 7th stop.
I'll keep track.
This is stop number 1.
6 more to go.
Look at all the passengers.
So many different people.
Students, workers, tourists.
Everyone uses the train.
It's the city's lifeline.
What are those seats with different colors?
Those are priority seats.
For elderly and disabled passengers.
Yes, and pregnant women too.
We should always offer those seats.
Absolutely. It's important.
Common courtesy.
This is stop number 3 now.
Halfway there.
Time is flying.
I love train travel.
Me too. It's relaxing. Excuse me, is this train going to Museum Station?
For elderly and disabled passengers. Thank you.
We wanted to confirm. Absolutely. It's important.
Are you getting off there too?
This is stop number 3 now. To the end of the line. Time is flying.
This train goes pretty far.
Me too. It's relaxing. That's useful to know. Excuse me. Is this train going to Museum Station?
We're just learning to use it. Thank you.
We're already enjoying it.
Thanks for the chat. Are you getting off there too?
That's us.
Already? Which side opens?
Usually the right side at this station.
How do you know?
The platform is on the right.
Oh, I see it through the window.
Get ready.
The train is slowing down.
Hold on to something.
The doors are opening.
Let's go.
Watch the gap between the train and platform.
Careful stepping out.
We made it.
We're at Museum Station. Which exit do we need?
The museum is at exit C.
I see the exit signs.
Follow the arrows.
Up these stairs.
Yes, toward exit C.
Almost there.
I can see daylight ahead.
We made it outside.
And there's the museum.
Right across the street.
That was easier than I thought.
See? Public transit isn't scary at all.
I feel like a real local now.
You should be proud.
We navigated buses and trains.
Like professionals.
I can't wait to explore more routes.
The whole city is accessible now.
This opens up so many possibilities.
Okay, let's step out of character now.
That was fun.
We covered so much today.
Let's recap the key points.
First, planning your trip.
Always check schedules in advance.
Use apps for real-time updates.
Compare different route options.
At the bus stop, look for route numbers.
Wave at the driver to signal you want to board.
On the bus, press the stop button early.
Be courteous to other passengers.
For trains, buy the correct ticket type.
Check if you need express or local trains.
Always stand behind a yellow safety line.
Let passengers exit before boarding.
Listen carefully to announcements.
They tell you important information.
Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Most people are happy to assist.
Station staff are there to help too.
Keep your ticket until you exit.
You might need it at the barriers.
Stay aware of your surroundings.
Keep valuables secure.
Be respectful of quiet zones.
Follow local customs and rules.
Each city might be slightly different.
But the basics are usually the same.
Practice makes perfect.
The more you ride, the easier it gets.
Soon it'll feel completely natural.
You'll navigate like a loco.
Public transit opens up the whole city. You can go anywhere affordably.
And you're helping the environment.
It's a win-win situation.
Thank you all for watching today.
We hope this was helpful.
Leave a comment if you have questions.
Or share your own transit experiences.
We'd love to hear from you.
Don't forget to subscribe
Hit that notification bell too.
so you never miss our videos.
Remember to check route maps.
They're usually posted at every station.
Download transit apps on your phone.
They show live arrival times.
Save money with day passes or monthly cards.
If you commute regularly, it's worth it.
Always validate your ticket properly.
Or you might get fined
Keep emergency contact numbers handy.
just in case you get lost.
Take photos of station names.
Helps when asking for directions.
Learn basic transit vocabulary.
Words like platform, transfer, fare.
These will make everything easier.
Next time, we'll talk about ordering food.
A Central Restaurant English.
You won't want to miss it.
Until then, keep practicing.
Try using transit in your city.
Build your confidence step by step.
Happy commuting, everyone.
See you next time. Bye for now.
Take care.